Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bricks in Minecraft. First, you need to gather clay balls. You can find clay blocks near water sources like rivers, lakes, and oceans, often submerged. Simply mine these gray blocks with any tool. A shovel works best. Each clay block you successfully break will drop 4 small clay balls, which are essential for our next step. Collect a good amount to start your brickmaking journey. Now that you have your clay balls, it's time to turn them into bricks. You'll need a furnace for this. Place your furnace and open its interface. Drag your clay balls into the top input slot. Then, add a fuel source like coal, charcoal, or wood into the bottom slot. The furnace will begin smelting, and each clay ball will transform into one individual brick item. This is the raw material for crafting brick blocks. With your individual bricks ready, the next step is to craft them into usable brick blocks. Head over to a crafting table and open its interface. You'll see a 3x3 crafting grid. Take 4 of your individual brick items and place them into the crafting grid, arranging them in a perfect 2x2 square. This simple pattern will combine them into one sturdy brick block, ready for your construction projects. Brick blocks are incredibly versatile for building in Minecraft. They are perfect for constructing charming houses, sturdy walls, and elegant pathways, adding a classic look to your world. You can also craft them into brick stairs, slabs, and walls to add more detail and depth to your creations. Plus, brick blocks are fire-resistant, making them a safe and stylish choice for building cozy fireplaces in your home. Get creative and build something amazing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.